Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you Android Auto installed on Mercedes ML 2013. This is an Android Auto add-on to the factory screen. We are using the vehicle controllers to allow us to navigate between the options here. We go to the home page. We have our Waze, we have our music in here. Anything that we want to play, we show is in here. We can go to our voice commands, send a text message.
Do you want a message?
Cancel.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so we have all the controls in here. The system also has an option for Apple CarPlay, but we're going to show you that one on the next video. For more electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.